Hey Roses, it's Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today I'm coming back to you again with another unboxing, and this one is from Colored Rain. So if you want to see what I got from Colored Rain, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss my next video. Okay, so as I just said, today's unboxing is from Colored Rain, and this is my very first order. Customer service A+. Right after I placed my order, I got an email from the owner herself thanking me for my purchase, so I do appreciate that extra touch. And when I ordered what I ordered, it was actually 50% off. So if I were you, I would head over to the coloredrain.com website right now and use the code VIP50 for 50% off. What I decided to get was something from the Colored Rain X Power collection. Yes, y'all know about Power, right? TV show on Stars. If you haven't caught up with it, you may want to, because there's lots of things happening. So because it is one of my favorite shows, you know, I had to support this particular launch, and also because Colored Rain is an American Black female owned business, had to support. So this is how my package came. The way it's wrapped is perfect. She used big bubble wrap for this, y'all. And another note here, thanking me for shopping with Colored Rain Cosmetics. This particular palette is regularly $29, and I got it for, I think, like $12.50. So if I were you, I would head on over. Number one, look how pretty it is, y'all. And it has black roses on it. And you know, anything with roses is fit for my roses here within the rose garden, right? Okay, so it's black and gold. It's in there, y'all. Okay, so there we have it. Very pretty. And in the back, it has a full listing of the ingredients, directions to use. Okay, so this is cruelty free, and it also says that the expiration on this is 12 months. So let's get into it. We have a nice mirror at the top, lined with gold everywhere. And the other reason why I got this palette is because look at all the purple that's in it, y'all. Yes. Nothing is broken thanks to the wonderful way she wrapped it. Let's see here. We have truth, legacy, respect, snitch, revenge, deception, alibi, betrayal, and testify. And if you follow the show, or if you watch the show Power, you would know this goes right with the show. So let's go ahead and do a few swatches. Y'all, that purple. I have purples, but I don't have this particular purple. Let me go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so y'all, respect. I was looking for a purple, pink, fuchsia color, but when I look down at it, I can see orange, I can see some gold. It's iridescent. It's really, really pretty. Moving on to snitch, revenge, deception, okay, there you have it. 9 pans of goodness in the Colored Rain X Power collection. And there are more items. I believe there's some lipsticks. There's a whole collection. This is a limited edition. So if you don't already have the Power palette, I will go get it. So that's it. I think my next makeup look I'll do will be with this palette, because I got a purple look I need to do. Let me know in the comments below if you've received this particular palette, if you've used it yet. How do you like it? Do you like the pigmentation as much as I do? Let me know, roses. Other than that, I will talk to you later. Bye.